Hey guys, it's Saga.
If you have been following me for the last month or so, you must know that I got both the iPhone 17 Pro and the iPhone Air on the launch day.
I decided to get the iPhone 17 Pro for me and the iPhone 17 Air for my wife.
But when I unboxed the iPhone Air and held it for some time, I just couldn't resist.
So I will be using the iPhone 17 Air for the next few weeks and I will be giving this iPhone 17 Pro to my wife.
She's not very happy about this, but she still agreed so I could test the Air properly.
There are some obvious trade-offs with this iPhone 17 Air, like the single speaker, so taking phone calls on speakerphone might be a bit tricky.
Single camera at the back, which I don't really mind as I had been using the iPhone 16e for the last 2.5 months or so.
But I think the most important thing which I'm really excited to testing is the smaller battery. I mean compared to most of the recent iPhones, because this phone actually packs in a way bigger battery than what was inside the iPhone 13 mini. And I actually used the iPhone 13 mini for over 500 days,
so I have a feeling that I can live with this one as well. For the performance and efficiency, this Air packs in A19 Pro chip, which is the same one which we got inside the iPhone 17 Pro and the Pro Max. The one inside this phone is slightly underpowered with one less GPU core, but it is a very powerful chip nonetheless. The Pros are made out of aluminium and have a vapor chamber inside to control and dissipate the heat which this new processor generates. iPhone Air is made out of titanium, which yes, feels a lot more premium, but when it comes to dissipating the heat, it is not very good. And it doesn't have a vapor chamber to cool down the internals either. So I want to check how this phone performs when I push it and put it under some heavy load of tasks.
Despite of all these so-called trade-offs,
when you look at this phone and hold it, all your worries just fade away.
And you can't help but falling in love with this design.
I think this is by far the best looking iPhone which Apple has ever made.
Yes, I'm a big fan of the iPhone X's design, but this is something else.
If you get a chance, just go to one of the Apple stores or any electronic stores which has it in display and just check it out in person. I'm sure you're going to love it.
There is a lot which I want to test on this phone, but if there is something which you guys want to know about the iPhone Air, please let me know in the comments.
As you're watching this video, I'm out taking a lot of image and video samples with this and a few other phones. So expect a very detailed camera review of this iPhone Air and its comparison with a few others over the next few days and weeks.
That is it for this video guys. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to the channel for a lot more coverage on this iPhone 17 series phones. You can also check out some of the other videos from this channel. This has been Saga and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.